Setting up a service on Shopify seems straightforward until your calendar turns into a complete disaster. Most merchants just install an app and hope for the best, but they usually skip the 3 or 4 settings that actually protect their time. Hey everyone, I'm Evan from TheShopNinjas, and today we're looking at the 4 things every Shopify booking system needs, but most skip. The first is real-time two-way sync. A lot of systems only send info one way, but you need your bookings to live where you live, which is usually your Google Calendar. For digital services, having a Google Meet link generated automatically is a massive win. It keeps the customer and the merchant on the exact same page without a single manual email. The second absolute must-have for a booking system is theme integrated setup. You really want to avoid those old school systems that redirect your customers to a clunky third-party site. Your booking flow should be built into your Shopify theme. It needs to be something you can toggle on with a click so your services look like a natural part of your brand. If the setup requires a developer and 10 hours of coding, it's probably going to break the next time you update your site. Thirdly, you need a frictionless checkout flow. Every extra click is an opportunity for a customer to change their mind. The best systems treat a booking exactly like a product. The customer selects the service, chooses a time, and pays in a single smooth motion. If they have to fill out a 5-page form before they even see your availability, they're going to bounce. You want that Amazon-style ease, where they're confirmed and paid before they have a second thought. And lastly, your booking system needs a centralized management hub. Once you start getting 5 or 10 bookings a day, you can't be digging through your inbox to find customer notes. You need one dashboard that lets you filter by upcoming or canceled and see exactly who is coming in and what they paid. Having that bird's eye view of your business is what allows you to scale from a side hustle to a full-time operation without losing your mind. If your current setup is missing any of these, it's time for an upgrade. We actually built Booked by the TheShopNinjas to check every single one of these boxes, from Google Calendar sync and meet links to instant theme setup and a one-stop dashboard. It's designed to make your life easier and your customers' experience a whole lot better. Hit the link in the description to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify growth tactics. Catch you in the next one.